Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to replace this Toyota and Lexus cars fuel tank cap hat. And this is really this part and this device, and sometimes this part really becomes bad because there are specific valves in here, and that's we have to purchase new fuel tank cap hat from Toyota and Lexus dealers, and then there is this locking switch what opens so easily, and this is like now this fuel tank cap hat, and when we purchase new part in Toyota dealership we can install this back in here. And really note that there are specific valves in the inner area in here.